ASR Group, Belize Sugar, Tower Hill, Mill Report 2016. Factory performance. Cane ground per tons. This week, 36,693. This crop, 1,288,704. Last crop, 1,186,154. Factory performance. Sugar produced per tons. This week, 3,839. This crop, 132,113. Last crop, 141,998. Factory performance. Grinding rate tons per day. This week, 5,242. This crop, 6,575. Last crop, 7,060. Cane quality. Juice purity first expressed by percent. This week, 86.89. This crop, 85.75. Last crop, 87.88. Cane quality. Tons cane to tons sugar. This week, 9.56. This crop, 9.75. Last crop, 8.35. Factory efficiency. Pulp extraction sugar extracted from cane by percent. This week, 95.42. This crop, 95.94. Last crop, 95.33. Factory efficiency. Factory time efficiency by percent. This week, 97.45. This crop, 96.50. Last crop, 97.92. Se aconseja a los cañeros a tomar ventaja de las últimas relativamente buenas condiciones climáticas para cosechar todos sus campos accesibles. La zafra 2005-2016 cerrará el domingo 26 de junio debido al tiempo inclemente.